everybody. It's Nurse Nancy, and today I want to talk to you about the best way to cough or sneeze. Whenever you cough or sneeze, you spread germs. Germs make you sick, and they're so tiny you can't see them. When you sneeze or cough, tiny drops of liquid and germs come out your nose and mouth. It looks like this. Ew, gross. Anyone or anything that gets in a sneeze's way will be covered in germs. So, how do you prevent spreading germs when you have to sneeze and cough? By using a tissue. The liquid and germs go into the tissue and it prevents the germs from going anywhere else. Of course, it's important that you throw the tissue away immediately and then go wash your hands. But what do you do if a sneeze sneaks up on you? Or you can't find a tissue anywhere? Well, the next best thing to do is to sneeze or cough into your elbow. Now, after you do that, you may need a tissue to clean yourself. And of course, if you use that tissue, you're going to throw it away. And then again, go wash your hands. You may even need to wash your arm. If we cover our coughs and sneezes correctly, there won't be as many germs in the world making people sick. So remember, when you cough or sneeze, to either use a Kleenex or your elbow. I hope the next time you have to cough or sneeze, you'll do just that. All right, take care. Bye. And stay healthy. Bye.